So, isn't your Boya BY-M1 or any other external mic working on your mobile phone? If yes, then in this video you're gonna get the answer to your question. Hey guys, this is Arya and you're watching AandA TV. Let's get started. So before starting on with this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video we post. So in this video we've got two methods, and yeah, let's not waste any more time and hop right into the first method. So for the first method, just go ahead to your Google Play Store and then type in Open Camera. Once you type that in, you'll see that the first app is going to be the correct one. Just click on that and then click Install. Now once you install the app, just open the app and you'll see a screen like this, which if you click on the blue button, then it's gonna start recording a video. And if you click on the top right corner settings option and you scroll down, you'll see a video settings option. Just click on that and then scroll down again. And then you'll see many options, and another option like record audio, and just after it you'll see an option like audio source. If you click on external mic if present, then it's going to allow your external microphone to function on your mobile phone also. Just record the video with your open camera. For the second method, you need two phones, and in one of them you need to download an app. So for the second method and more complex method, you need to download an app called RecForge 2. So go to your Google Play Store and then type in RecForge 2 audio recorder, and this is going to be the app, and you can also get the link to it in the description. So here we are, RecForge 2 audio recorder. Now just go ahead, this is the audio recorder and it's a really nice app, so just go ahead and download it and then open it. Now just to record your audio, just click on this red mic option and it's going to start recording your audio. Once you've installed the app, just connect the Boya BY-M1 to the mobile phone on which you've installed the app, and then just record the audio and the video separately. So you just keep the camera on the normal position or the smartphone on the normal position from which you would record a video, and just put the mobile phone which is connected to your Boya BY-M1 and RecForge app which is recording your audio. Just keep that mobile phone in your pocket or wherever you like. And then afterwards, while editing, just sync the audio with your video. So it's going to be just perfect. So that was all for this video. Those are the two methods that are best for getting the best audio with your Boya BY-M1. And yeah, that was all how to fix the problem. Bye bye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.